Welcome to your first step on the hill. Now that you have all your equipment sorted, find some flat terrain. Choose one of your skis. Stand beside your skis using your poles to stay balanced. Remove the snow from under your boot. Put your toes in first. Set the round of your heel in the back of the binding and press down until it clicks into place. You can slide back and forth to be sure the ski is in the right position. Practice putting on both skis a few times to get familiar with the equipment. Now, with both skis, you can start to walk around to get familiar with the equipment and the sensation of sliding on the snow. You should be smiling now because lesson 1 is over.